Ctenophoryngoda nidella, or the grass carp, is a fish native to the Pacific waters of Far East Asia. Let's dissect it. First, to open the carp, cut from its anus, which is next to its anal fin, until its pelvic fins. If you don't remove the scales, it might be a bit tough. Then cut up till the bones to expose the insides of the fish. We removed its pectoral fins for convenience. The bones of this part can be quite tough to get through. Once opened, the digestive system can be seen. Let's take a closer look. The digestive system of the carp is simple. As its stomach is absent, the esophagus connects the throat. A carp's food diet is very diverse. Its intestine has been developed to digest both vegetable and animal-originated foods. The absence of gastric folds are counterbalanced by the length of the bowel needed for full digestion of plant-based foods. Hidden inside is the gallbladder. Be careful not to accidentally cut it open. Oops! The gallbladder stores bile, which helps with fat digestion. Venturing deeper, the swimming bladder can be seen. The two red stripes located around the swimming bladder is the ovary. It contains large number of follicles, which can ripen into, believe it or not, 700,000 eggs. Which means carps uses the external type of fertilization. The swimming bladder is a two-chamber bag with hollow, thin, flexible and very solid walls filled with nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It increases the buoyancy of the fish, helping the carp float in the water without any requirement of excess ATP. Next, cut deeper towards the head of the fish where the heart is located. The circulatory system is where the nutrients are transported to the organs and waste products of the organs are collected and transported to the kidney. The heart consists of two chambers, ventricle and atrium. Lastly is the gills. This is where oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange is made. The exchange of gases between the water and the blood of fish is possible due to a dense network of tiny capillaries threading gill filaments. Because freshwater should always wash their gills, it is in a passive position with the most fish-rich oxygenated water layer. This is the end of the Ctenophoryngoda nidella dissection.